Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another wig install with hair that I got from ISEE Hair. All the information for this hair will be below. So this is a 16-inch kinky curly V-part wig. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. You have your 4 combs at the top that snap open. You have an elastic band here that's going to keep it snug, as well as these ear cutouts that's going to help the wig fit comfortably behind your ears. And then it also has another drawstring at the bottom to help it fit snug around the back of your neck. And then here's the other ear cutout here and a close-up of the curl pattern. It's super cute for summer. I'm really excited to install it. Here I'm just showing you the goodies that came with the wig. So if you want to see me install the wig, keep watching. So this is my braid down underneath the wig. I just have braids in the back and a little bit of leave out at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and tuck away my leave out so I can get ready to install the wig. First thing I'm going to do is unsnap these clips here at the top. Then I'm going to slide the wig from the back of my head all the way to the front. I like to start at the back first because it's easier. Then I can just put those combs into my anchor braids on the side and just snap them in place like you see here, which makes it a lot easier. You can start at the top and work your way back, whatever is more comfortable for you. I just find like I have more leverage when I start from the back and move to the front. And then once it's in, it looks like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and tuck my hair up so you can see me adjust the drawstring in the back. All you have to do is pull the string and move this little piece upwards so that it secures how tight you want it, and then you just tuck the string away. Now there are combs on the sides that I'm just tucking into the sides of my hair. I don't have anchor braids on the sides, it's just my hair, and it was just fine and really comfortable. And this is what the hair looks like. It's really cute even without doing anything to it. The curl pattern is super pretty. This kinky pattern is really cute for summer. So right now I'm just taking out some of my edges because I will be styling that a little bit later, but first I'm going to go into styling the hair itself. So to style the hair, I'm just going to use some water and mousse per usual, nothing special. I'm going to go in and drench the hair so that it's super wet. I actually went through and brushed through the hair off camera, but I didn't like how it looked when it was full. I didn't think it was a good look. You can do it if you want to at home, but I didn't like how it looked. So I just went ahead and skipped over that part. So once the hair is drenched like it is here, then I'm going to go in with this mousse that I got from the beauty supply store and just apply it all over the hair. I like mousse like this because it helps hold the curls texture without making it crunchy. I don't like the crunchiness, but it makes it like soft and it still holds it. Then I'm just taking this Denman brush and I'm brushing through the curls, making sure to really brush through to the bottom, and that's when you get that like springiness and like the curliness of the hair pretty much. I think it looks really pretty. Now I'm just taking my blow dryer with the diffuser tip and diffusing my hair. I'm scrunching it upwards so that it'll bring more volume to the hair. Later on, I am going to diffuse the hair going downwards to kind of bring more length to it, just so you can see the versatility in the two. But I'm starting with this method first. So there are multiple ways that you can style a V-part wig. So I'm going to show you a few different ways. So the first way that I'm doing is using minimal leave out. So I'm taking out a small amount of hair and tucking away the rest of my hair underneath the wig, and I'm just going to clip it away. The clips are going directly into my hair. There's no tugging or anything at all. It's actually surprisingly really comfortable. This is definitely the most comfortable V-part wig I've worn, to be honest with you. So I'm doing the same thing to the other side, tucking away my excess hair, and then I'm just going to use a small rat tail comb and pull out just a small amount of hair. Really, less is more. You really do not need a lot of leave out at all with this. So next I'm just blending my hair with the curls using a wide tooth comb, and it's super easy to blend, especially since I left out only a little bit of hair. It makes it super easy and you can't even tell. And I love this method probably the best because there's no heat, it's easy on your hair, and it looks very natural. I love leaving out like the minimal amount, and this looks really cute. Next, I'm just taking my edge booster and I'm going to style my baby hairs. Baby hairs is obviously completely optional. I know some of you like baby hair less options. But for me with curly hair, I feel like baby hairs just make the curly hair pop more and it makes it look more natural on me. But like I said, it's a personal preference. Now for the second way that I'm going to style this hair, I'm going to be diffusing the hair downwards. So off camera, I resprayed the hair, put a little bit more mousse in it, and now I am, like I said, diffusing downwards. So this is stretching out the hair. Since it is 16 inches, it tends to be a little bit shorter. So if you want to stretch it out and get the stretch look, this is a good way to do that. So this next blending method revolves just a little bit of heat. The first thing I'm going to do is just split my hair down the middle evenly, and then I'm going to separate my hair into small sections and combine it with other sections from the wig itself, and then wrap it around just a small curling wand like you see me doing here. This just helps me easily blend the two pieces of hair together. I also like to just do random curls with the curling wand and hair like this anyway, specifically like around my face, just so it can define my face a little bit better. And then also I like to do it just like randomly throughout the wig because I feel like it just gives some depth to the wig. So you have like some smaller curls, some larger curls. I feel like it just makes it look even more natural and really brings out the curl pattern. I also like to add just a little bit of layers just in the front. I didn't want to cut it too much, but something to just frame my face. I feel like that instantly just made the look a whole lot better, especially with the curls. I think it looks super cute. So this is the second styling option with using heat for the leave out. I love how full and voluminous that the wig looks. It really shapes my face and it looks really cute. I really love this style. Another option that I did also was a flip over. Yes, you could do a flip over with a V part, which is like a game changer. I know everybody loves flip overs and it looks really cute, especially after I layered the front. The flip over looks really cute and natural, and you can lift up your hair, and you know, you have all this versatility with the wig. So lastly, the last thing I did was it by accident created like these bangs in the front, these fringe bangs, and I thought this is the cutest, most adorable thing I've ever seen. But yeah, you just can see how many options you have with this wig. So definitely check out this hair. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios, till next time.